Castro on the move.
He's gonna pass it. Didn't see it.
Going for 3, doesn't work. Lance back with Roger. Here's Jason to the sidestep. Reverse pass with the bird.
I tell you, he hasn't scored in the beginning, but that's worrisome for the opponents because he's gonna get his,
First, sa pangyayari.
Nice pass.
Ayun yung sinasabi mo doon. Pag binigay mo kay Williams, raratsyada sa rin yun. Heruela wins the tap. Castro for 3. Punches it through. Reyes brings it up. Castro in the open court. Pascual to beat. Castro all the way. Gets the basket. Hindi niya pang-foul.
Well, he sized up the opponent. Atras ka ng atras sa kanya. Pinabasa niya sa
Yung backheel yung sinisilip doon, no? Yung kumpiyansang dala nun.
Very high.
Into this new season, ibang level.
Very high. Castro.
Castro again! Ang mga kamay ni Jason Castro William. Nagliliyap na.
Oh, he lost that shot because he was very deadly with that shot last year.
6.5 minuto na lang natitira dito sa MOA Arena. Castro for 3.
Something has tayo ng timeout, but my player is fresh. He's going to play that the last 6 minutes or whatever.
Troy with a pick. Jason dancing with De La Rosa. Puts up a 3. No, drops it off. Rosario ties the game.
Leonas pa. 1-4-8. Ang ganda naman ang bigay ni Jason. Good decision. But he was willing to take the 3-point shot if he was open.
Castro was gonna go for the win, pero nung naipit siya, si Troy Rosario, what presence of mind, hindi niya iniwanan ng tingin yung bola, yung emergency.
Si Jason Castro who scored 24 points. Jason, at the half you only scored 4 points eh. What was the change of mindset nung halftime huddle? May nabanggit ba sa'yo para na masaging agresibo ka nung third, fourth quarter and even at the overtime period?
Masyado kasing inaanap yung mga teammate ko nung first half. Kahit may mga wide open shot na ako, ayun nga, in-extra pass ko pa. Sabi nga ni coach na kapag meron, kailangan ko lang maging aggressive sa offense ko kasi yun nga, hindi sila nagko-commit sa mga teammate ko. So, yun.
But you still had that extra pass to Troy Rosario that sent the game to overtime.
Yes, kasi alam ko naman na sa akin sila nakapokus. So, kailangan ko lang hanapin yung wide open shot talaga.
Ang sabi ng coaching staff, it will take a while bago nyo talaga matutunan itong bagong sistemang gusto nilang makita. Pero so far, kamusta kayo doon sa sistema na yun?
Maganda. Maganda yung nirarun ng team. Hindi pa ganun ka-fluid pero nakikita naman namin na maraming positive.
Tagal pa yung next game, pwede pa magpahinga?
Yes. At least makapag-focus sa Gilas.
Pagkakataon magpasalamat sa fans at syempre ay niliyahan na sa inyong mga susunod na laro.
Sa lahat ng mga TNT fans at saka PBA fans, sana lagi nyo kami supportan. At saka pabati na rin, nanonood yung anak ko, si Yaya, at saka si David, at saka sa wife ko. Hi sa inyo lahat, at saka sa mga relatives ko sa Sasman at saka Guagua. Hi sa inyo lahat.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. No. Lahat ng mga crew namin sa fan side ng Guagua. Hi sa inyo lahat.
Jason Castro, best player ng ating laro.